Hello guys, welcome to Futuristic Approach. Today I have come up with an announcement regarding Python programming, and I am going to make the sequel of Python programming language right from scratch so that I can make you understand and I can make you know how Python programming works, how it functions, what are the various modules in that. So step by step I'll hold your hand, you stay with me in this tutorial. I'll be making it in part wise, and definitely it will take some time to get completed, but you be with me and I'll teach you Python programming language start from the scratch in this tutorial. So guys, without any delay I'll start. First day we will see what is Python, how it works, what all modules are there in that, how you can install various modules in Python, and how you can utilize it. So before that I would recommend you to use this W3 School. It's a very popular website wherein you can use a number of things like HTML. If you want to learn, you can learn from your CSS, JavaScript, but primarily we will be learning Python. So I will request you to go through this W3 School because it is very easy and you will understand it well in this. So the prerequisite for knowing Python language is first to download the Python and download the IDE which is required to be done. So for IDE I would request you to, as a beginner, you can go for VS Code or you can go for PyCharm also. There is no issue in that, but my personal view is you go with VS Code. So VS Code I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it. You can download it directly from the Google and just write VS Code and it will take you to the official website of the VS Code, and then you download from here. Alright, once you download this VS Code, then you go to python.org and this you go to downloads and you download as per your systems. So if you are in Mac OS, then you go for this. If you are in Linux or if you are in Windows, you can go as per the operating systems available over here. So once you download it, then what we will do, we will come to VS Code and we will write our first program in this. So guys, before that you have to open a folder. So you have to make one folder wherein you will write everything, all the codes of your Python in this. So I'll make one folder, new folder, and I'll write Python tut 2021. So I'll create it and then I'll open this. So I have come into the folder. Now the first file I'll make, this is the one wherein you just click it and you make a Python file. So this is the first tutorial, so I'll write it as 1.py. okay, and enter. .py is the Python format wherein for any file you have to write .py in the end. So in Python you write print hello world, let's say, if I write. So here I'll run Python file. When I run the Python file, you can see the hello world is depicted over here. So this is a very simple hello world program. So we have written our first program in Python language, which is hello world. So like that you can write anything. So if you want to write let's say how are you, you can write that, or you can say I am good, what about you. So these all three lines will be printed in your language. So hello world, how are you, I am good, what about you. So this is a very simple programming, first program which we have written in this. Alright guys, so guys, Python is a very popular programming language which is used in data science or artificial intelligence, and it is very popular nowadays because everywhere this AI things have been implemented, and Python is one such language which AI uses, and this is a very simple and easy to understand programming language wherein there is no issues like C++ programming or something like that. So it is exclusively used in data science and the most popular amongst all the programming languages in 2021. So this was the first chapter regarding the first Python programming which we had to write. So I would like to request you to clap for yourself because you have written your first programming language now.